Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small little Tuesday morning haul. I had some other items, but I took them back. I changed my mind about them. I ended up picking up some like Ken Oliver stuff, but I picked up the re-inkers instead of the pigment ones. I had the wrong ones, so I took those back. But I ended up getting this paper crimper. I have one, but the paper crimper I have is the Fisco's one, and it actually have wavy lines. So this one has two different sizes in it, a small crimp and a wider crimp, but they're straight lines. Not that it makes that much difference, but and the other crimp I have is a handheld, so this one you can roll through. So I just thought I'd try that out. I got these items on clearance, and they were like 79 cents. So just like these, the short size, that you can use the little cocktail straws. This was 60% off too, and this is one. I already had this kit, so I just got some more of the replacements to make some of your little rosettes. And this was on clearance too. I just got this one, and I got some Dollar Tree fabric. So, oh, maybe I can make some flowers out of it. So got that one. And I did get, they had a whole bunch of different X-cut files along phone. Not as many, but they had a couple. But I ended up getting this one. And this one's just like the little speech bubbles. It says smile, I love you, happy face, a heart, thanks, hello, and hi. So there's those 4 speech bubbles and all those different sentiments. So you have a total of how many dies in here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 dies. Yeah, and it was $6.99. And then they had the alphabet out of the X cut. And it's just a different font, so I thought I would get those as well. So that is it. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.